Topic: effect of primary and combined loading of pylori micromechanism of aluminum alloy, 2024 T351. First is short introduction and motivation. Generally, we use aluminum alloy is most popular materials in aviation construction. Now, these alloys use imported part of construction aircraft as wing skins, frames, and fuselage. We must estimate mechanical properties, macro-mechanical properties of this material in base state, also after time exploitation and end of exploitation. Laboratory tests practically always realize in condition one type load. By example, it's tension, bending, most similar real loading is random load. Other side, real construction always work in complex load. We have not clear one type loading and mix, different mix this load, and very special load is combined load where we have tension loading and additional force impulse. The problem this load is that additional load impulse realize very short time. It's not a similar overloading type, because in this case we have a short time, and additional force loading have value approximately critical load for this alloy. This additional load impulse must be in a very random situation, but always have change local macro-mechanical properties. We analyze change micromechanical damage and influence this type of load on the change of structure materials different level. Analyze of macro, micro, and meso scale, between micro and macro. The aim of research is analyze preliminary combined loading effects, monotonic tension, and additional force impulse. As I say, change of structure of macro level, micro level, and meso level connect to this scale. How evaluation change microstructure influence of mechanical properties. Material for use test is aluminum alloy chemical proposed present off table and mechanical properties. We prepare specimens from sheet thickness up to 3 millimeters. It's a non-standard simple, but we take this form for compare other results published in different research. Test methods. First is mechanical test. For realize this mechanical test project, design special equipment, cooperation with firm MTS. This machine have two contours. First contours used for preliminary tension load. Outside contour realize for additional force impulse. Time realize additional force impulse found before 28 milliseconds. After break, specimen analysis surface on transmission electron microscopy and scanning electron microscopy, and compare results after combined load. For example, I present realize change of stress depend of deformation. Red line is normal tension test. Blue line is realized additional for impulse. This area is a non-stationary deformation local volume specimen. And this is next tension loading specimen after preliminary combined load. Compare static load, and we have a mass plastician material. For these alloys, maximal result is up to 20%, most plastic. How is change of structure? General change is transform local volume structure from laminar to bending, increase local plasticity. Very important is pressure of application. If you apply additional force impulse nearly 0.7 yield stress, we have maximal plasticity for this element. Left side, we have surface failure after monotonic load, tension. Right side is fracture after preliminary combined load. Generally, different is first case, we have typical intergular fracture. In preliminary alloy combine, we have mixed mechanism. Microcracks, delamination, intelligence grain deformation. Results of TEMS observation is that we have microchannel and subgrain observation, local flow channel. It is generally confirmation self-organization process in local volume materials. In the moment application at the additional force impulse, in structure start non-dynamic process. The energy dissipate in material and change of structure. Structures form a new structure. Key phenomena this test is most plasticity resistance, formation dissipative structures, and self-organization detect under non-equilibrium conditions. Mechanism of failure difference depend of load is that after combined load is left side, in monotonic tension if right side. This picture is a layer of clad on the surface specimens, across of specimens. Is a macro level, is a micro level. The general conclusion is that combined load causes significant microstructural change, increased plasticity of self-organization process, the importance of rolling moments impulse application, of course. This results is based for modernity durability of aluminum alloys. Practical significance is application of aviation, also of military technology, because military very often is necessary destroy materials, construction in concrete moment. Materials resistance for dynamic loads and feature research fatigue and durability under non-stationary condition. The graphic summary. Thank you for attention.